So today we're going to take a look at how you can apply effects to multiple video clips on your timeline in Premiere Pro. As you can see here, we have our project open. This is the last video I worked on for the channel, and as you can see all the different video segments and stuff right there. So what I want to do is I want to make this background here into using a Gaussian blur. I just want to blur this bit to make it more aesthetic. So what you want to do is you want to go to the project section down here. So it looks like this. Typically you'll be looking at something like your media browser. Click that, and then down here you're going to see new item. Click that. Click adjustment layer. Then in here, just accept these settings. Now once you've got your adjustment layer here, all you want to do is simply drag this onto the timeline. So I want this effect to take control over the whole video. I'm just going to extend this to the end of my timeline like so. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to my effects panel next, down here. And I'm going to type in what I want. I want the Gaussian blur effect. So I'll click on that and I'm going to drag that onto the timeline like so. So now we're on here, we're going to go to effects controls, like so. I'm just going to put in like 50 because I just want a really blurry background. And if I click that, you can see that the blur has come on, even if we up it to like 60 maybe, for a real noticeable effect. You can see there that now you can see that our effect has taken across all the multiple video clips in the timeline. If we actually knock this adjustment layer off, you can actually see the effect take place. So that's how you do the same effect over multiple clips in a video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.